In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find the Kitayama Big Daisugi here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is open up the pause menu, go ahead and open up the world map, and you need to filter by the map regions. And as you can see, you need to go to the Ito region right here. And essentially what you need to do is go kind of directly in the middle of it. The best point of interest I'd say is probably this drag strip right here. If you just make your way up through here, you could turn onto this road and essentially go directly towards where this little sign is, the XP board. Once you get here, drive over here and you can get this XP board if needed. In fact, we'll actually collect it right here. But actually right next to this XP board is going to be that tree that you need to take a picture of. It looks something like this. It's kind of interesting, but enter in photo mode and you could just skip over that. And this is the tree that you want to take a picture of. It's got like more trees essentially sticking out of it, right? So go ahead and get in here, adjust your focus, and then of course take your picture of this giant tree just like so. And after you do that, you'll go ahead and complete the photo challenge. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.